Hey.
Hi, a lot of you wanted me just to do it, but I am never going to do a video without her.
Yeah. And since I didn't do so good last time, I'm going to try this.
And I'm going to redo this. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, got it.
And I can't hiccup on cue, and I can fart
You're
sometimes.
You're supposed to do the ABCs.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I might only get to like 5 letters, but then I'll restart, okay?
E.
Z D E F G H I J
Okay. It's really hard because you can't breathe when you do that. G H I J K. 10 letters. Okay. We got 17 more to go. Did you know that there used to be an "an" in the alphabet?
I'm just gonna drink soda.
I'm gonna drink this.
I'm not gonna burn it. Too cold.
A B C E
You messed up.
F G I J A.
I forgot what came after L. Alright guys, I know how you really
M.
want me to do it.
M comes after L.
I know it'll come after L. L. Something like that. I don't think I'll be able to do it today. Long day. I had to walk a long way. I can burp really loud. Nope. If I can chug all this, I'll burp really loud, okay?
You can't burp.
That wasn't that loud.
I had to burp.
So, if you have any other things that you want us to do, except for burping, hiccuping, and all that.
Yeah, I don't feel like doing it. I can't do it.
We would be glad to do it. We got a shout out. We had somebody ask if we could do birthdays and stuff. Yeah, we can do that.
But we have to be on there. And do it in the comments, because we have an iPod and iPad.
Yeah.
So we can't check out our messages.
Yeah, do it on comments and everything else. And so far, our burping is the one that's got us. The one that's turned us gay. I'm just kidding.
Shane Dawson.
So, I hope you liked our video. Next time, if we ever do another part, if we do a part 3.
Like it if you love Shane. Oh my god, he's awesome.
Yeah, Shane Dawson. Oh. I love him.
So
Doesn't my hair match my face perfectly? Alright, enough talking about me. Let's talk about you and me.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Or that.
All through the night I make love to you. Like you want me to. I guess that's the woman in you. Okay. Enough. Oh, shoot. I was gonna put my drink in this so I could drink it.
Whoa.
Who said shit cotton?
I did. This takes a while. A long while.
Okay, and then we'll do crazy hair day.
What?
We can do crazy hair day.
If you want us to.
I lost my hair tie. Oh, you should check me out on Vines.
Unicorn fight. That hurt.
We kind of did a unicorn fight, and we had our hair just like this, and we accidentally rammed into each other. I hit right here. She hit like right here. It hurt. Don't have a unicorn fight, okay? And then on my Instagram, I have her and my other friend fighting.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram.
Bye.
Wait. Your mama's so old that her breast milk. We should do that.
Yeah, and if you want to hear your mama jokes, then comment.
Peace
5,
out.
4, 3, 2, peace.